What's up guys? Are you looking for an upper soft cab door for your Polaris RZR? Well, SuperATV's got you covered, and today we're going to show you everything you need to do to get it installed. First thing you're going to want to do is get a 50-50 mixture of rubbing alcohol as well as water, and you're going to want to prep your whole cage surface and everything around it. So I just went ahead and anything that is close to the cage, just went through and cleaned everything up really nicely. You're going to want to do that 3 times. We've already done it. So we're going to come over here and we have all of our different pieces laid out for our cage. So everything's going to be marked, everything's going to be labeled. So like for example, this is E4, and we have I, B. The first thing we're going to be looking for is the A's. So we're going to look around here and find our A6s, and there's going to be a ton of these. But we're just going to get 2 right off the bat. And these are going to go right around here. So we're going to go ahead and peel the backing off of this A6. We're just going to take it, slide it down here, right by our bolts, wrap it right around. And then just firmly press on it to make sure that we get it good and stuck. So we're going to grab another A6. Go right here, wrap it around the cage. Make sure you get it nice and tight. And it's okay if you go over top of it. So we're going to grab 2 more of our A6s. Go off the backing. One of them is going to go right here. Like that, and the next one's going to go right above it here, right after the bend. Firmly press on it, make sure it makes good contact all the way around. Just like that. And we're going to grab another A6. And right behind the visor, we're going to put a piece. Like that. Then we're going to go ahead and grab a B. There's the backing. We'll just lay this on our cage. I like to get one side stuck down really good, and then just work this other side in as well. So it should look just like that. Then we're going to grab one of the C pieces, apply it right here, just like that. Then we're going to grab a D15 and it's going to go on the inside. So piece D will go right here. Just like that. So now we're going to grab an F24. It's going to slide all the way down and then all the way up to our piece that we already have installed. In any place that you have like this right here going on, what I recommend that you do is take a razor blade, make a cut, that way it'll fold over. That way it's like that. Let's go through, and you may have a couple bubbles like this. That's okay as long as you get it pressed on nice and tight all the way down and around. So then we're going to get H30. Go ahead and peel the backing off of it. We're going to start it right here. It's going to run all the way back to the back of the door here. Then we're going to get piece G9. And it's going to go right here. And we're going to get the piece labeled I. And it's going to run right along through here. Then we're going to take our piece labeled J and set it right here where the cage couples together. Just like that. So now that we have all of our Velcro on, we just wanted to tell you guys all of these pieces are very close to where they need to be, but you may need to go through and make adjustments. So, you know, these are all for reference. Like I said, they should be really close. We've done this quite a few times. So, you know, we may have to adjust them a little bit. You may have to adjust them a little bit. But you want to make sure that you let these Velcro pieces sit for 72 hours prior to trying to fit up your door. Now we've already let ours sit, so we're going to go through and start with this flap right here. And this flap right here is going to lay right up on top. We're just going to get it kind of hooked on just a little bit. And then this little piece here, you want to get it kind of wrapped around and leave it hanging fairly loose. And you'll pick up on this. You know, you'll pull on it pretty good here. Get it lipped around like that. And same thing with this piece. You just want to kind of get it hooked just a little bit, or at least get your pieces back in behind so you can connect them. And as you're going, you just really want to pull tension on this. And here's another one of those straps. Needs to be wrapped around. You just have to continue to kind of work it and mess with it a little bit until you get it in that perfect position. We'll move on back here to the rear. Pull it really tight. Make sure you get all your straps that need to be wrapped around in the correct position. Just continue pulling on this. And you're going to make sure that these go on the inside here, both of these straps. And you just want to pull on this about as hard as you can pull. That way it makes the tightest fit that it can. And this strap back here can be a little bit of a pain. Just got to kind of feed it in there sideways without it getting hung up before you're able to stick it down. And then we'll come down here to the bottom and again pull down on this about as hard as you can pull. And then you can see there it's got a pretty tight fit. Feels good. You will have a little bit up here, but you can get rid of some of it by undoing this top strap and pulling on it and kind of getting it wrapped over. And really you can just keep going through and adjusting. You should be set. You shouldn't have to mess with moving Velcro around or anything like that. One thing we're going to show you real quick, you can unzip this door. Then obviously this is what you do. You reach in here and you can get in the machine. Then whenever you'd be ready to roll it up, you just come here, peel the Velcro off, and you just roll it up. You want to roll it pretty tight. wrap it around, then just strap it down nice and tight. That way, you know, if you wanted to ride and you start to get a little bit warm, or you just wanted to store it, you know, it's ready to go still. You still have your Velcro here all the way around. All you got to do is just unclip it, zip it back on, and that's all there is to that. All the same steps are going to apply for the opposite side. It's the exact same installation from passenger side to driver's side. And there you have it. That's all there is to it to install SuperATV's soft cab on this Polaris RZR 1000. For more information on this soft cab or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427. Check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.